Hello, everyone. Welcome to Flow Space 101 Vocabulary Flow. Today, we will practice 5 orange-level vocabulary words through a short dictation story. Today's words are attractive, burden, consent, dependable, indicate. Listen carefully, fill in the blanks, and check your spelling at the end. Let's get started. Let's preview the words first. Listen and repeat after me. Attractive, pleasing, and interesting. Say it attractive. Burden, something heavy to carry or a heavy problem. Say it burden. Consent, permission, or agreement. Say it consent. Dependable, reliable, and trustworthy. Say it dependable. Indicate, to point out or show. Say it indicate. Excellent. Now let's listen to the story. Do not write yet. Just listen. The class walked toward an attractive mountain trail. One student had a heavy burden to carry. The teacher needed parent consent for the trip. My friend was very dependable and helped everyone. The trail signs indicate the safest way to go. In the end, everyone enjoyed the trip safely. Great listening. Now let's do the dictation. Now listen again and fill in the blanks. This is a dictation test, so listen carefully. Do not worry if you miss a word. You can pause the video and listen again. Number 1, the class walked toward an attractive mountain trail. Pause and write. Number 2, one student had a heavy burden to carry. Pause and write. Number 3, the teacher needed parent consent for the trip. Pause and write. Number 4, my friend was very dependable and helped everyone. Pause and write. Number 5, the trail signs indicate the safest way to go. Pause and write. Great job. Now get your red pen ready. Now check your answers with a red pen. Number 1, attractive. 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 Number 2, burden. 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 Number 3, consent. 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 Number 4, dependable. 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 Number 5, indicate. 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 Check your spelling carefully. How many did you get correct? Now let's read the story together. Read with me. The class walked toward an attractive mountain trail. One student had a heavy burden to carry. The teacher needed parent consent for the trip. My friend was very dependable and helped everyone. The trail signs indicate the safest way to go. In the end, everyone enjoyed the trip safely. Great job today. You practiced listening, spelling, and reading. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next vocabulary flow lesson.